Good morning, all of you. This is Sai Kiran sir from SK Chemistry Academy. Today we will discuss the another reducing agent, that is what? Sodium borohydride. So already we discussed the lithium aluminum hydride, that is a strong reducing agent. Now see, this is what sodium borohydride. This is a very beautiful molecule, and it react with only the three functional groups, that is what? Aldehydes and ketones and acid chlorides. Okay, so guys, in this video I will explain the mechanism of the sodium borohydride with aldehyde, ketones and acid chlorides, and with some important problems we will discuss. Okay, so let's get started. See here, this is what sodium borohydride. Okay guys, so what is the मेन इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स अबाउट द सोडियम बोरोहाइड्रेट? ये जो सोडियम बोरोहाइड्रेट है बहुत जबरदस्त मॉलिक्यूल है ये, क्योंकि ये जो है रिएक्ट होता है वो किसके साथ रिएक्ट होगा? ओनली थ्री फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स है. वो थ्री फंक्शनल ग्रुप क्या है बेटा? दैट इज व्हाट? एल्डिहाइड. सी हियर, दिस इज रिएक्ट विथ एल्डिहाइड टू अल्कोहल. सो सोडियम बोरोहाइड्रेट reduces aldehyde to alcohol. Okay, then here also see ketones also reduced to alcohol. Then acid chlorides, that is acid halides, also reduced to alcohol. Okay guys, so very important thing is what? Sodium borohydride reduces only these three functional groups. Okay, that is what? Aldehyde, ketones and acid chloride. So it doesn't react with carboxylic acid or amide and ester acid anhydride. Even the double bonds and triple bonds are not react with sodium borohydride. I will give the why they not react with acid chloride और carboxylic acid के साथ क्यों नहीं reaction होता है ester के साथ. Okay बेटा, so little bit see here थोड़ा सा. So what is the difference between this aldehyde and ketone and carboxylic acid? This is what one carbonyl group consider. In the carbonyl group, what these aldehydes or ketones are what? Electron deficient. This is a more electrophilic in nature. Why? See here, oxygen what? More electronegative than carbon atom. So now oxygen get the what? Negative charge. And this is what? Positive. This is what? Electrophilic center. This is called what here? Electrophilic center. Electrophilic center. Clear? And here magnitude of positive charge is there. Suppose if you consider any carboxylic acid, see any carboxylic acid or ester, suppose here what? OR is there, otherwise OH acid, otherwise NH2, that is what? Amide. See in all cases what happened? No? See here, this oxygen will take the pi electron, so here you will get positive charge. Now here oxygen has a lone pair, nitrogen has a lone pair, they will stabilize this positive charge. So these are the what? Less electrophilic in nature as compared to carbonyl group. That's why sodium borohydride is what? Mild reducing agent. So they not react with this carboxylic acid and ester and amide. Understood? Okay, let's see with reaction with aldehydes and ketones. Suppose if you take the aldehyde, see guys here, this is what? Our aldehyde. So this sodium borohydride in the presence of water, they will provide two hydrogens, and the mechanism is different. I will explain. Just you have to do, ये जो pi bond है ना, देखो ये जो white वाली पैरासा मॉलिक्यूल यहाँ पे देखो aldehyde, इसका जो pi bond है आपको ब्रेक करना है. तो ब्रेक करके ऑक्सीजन टेक वन हाइड्रोजन and this carbon atom will take one hydrogen. So this become to what? Alcohol. Okay, now see if you take the another molecule, देखो ये ग्रीन वाला, देखो ये वाली एक नंबर जबरदस्त मॉलिक्यूल है ये भी. तो जब भी ये जो कीटोन है, अगर आपका सोडियम बोरोहाइड्रेट इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ वाटर मॉल के साथ रिएक्ट होता है, यहाँ पे जो पाई बॉन्ड है, दिस पाई बॉन्ड विल ब्रेक एंड दिस व्हाट? ऑक्सीजन विल टेक वन इलेक्ट्रॉन. नॉर्मली ये इसके तरफ शिफ्ट होगा, सो वो माइनस विल टेक वन हाइड्रोजन and this carbon atom one take hydrogen. Again you are getting what? Alcohol you are getting. Now take the acid chloride. So first acid chloride not directly converted into alcohol. First क्या होगा ना बेटा? This Cl is what? Good leaving group. First this Cl is out. So two hydrogen है, one hydrogen attached here and minus HCl is out. So here what? This is what? Here minus HCl. And now this acid chloride become to aldehyde. Then break this pi bond, one hydrogen attach what? This oxygen atom, one another hydrogen attach this carbon atom. Again you are getting what? Again you are getting what? Alcohol. So aldehyde or ketone and acid chlorides, this all are reduced to alcohol. समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? क्या करना है आपको? सिंपल पाई बॉन्ड between carbon and oxygen, you have to break it and add the two hydrogen, like lithium aluminum hydride, same. But lithium aluminum hydride is what? Strong reducing agent. It reduces all carbonyl group and their derivatives. Okay, now next here we will discuss some examples. Suppose if you take this one, see here, suppose if you take acid chloride, cyclohexane acid chloride, see here, in sodium borohydride, what I said, first this chlorine is eliminated as HCl minus HCl, and here what? One hydrogen attached. So this acid chloride किस में convert हुआ? aldehyde में convert हुआ. उसके बाद ये सोडियम बोरोहाइड्रेट दो हाइड्रोजन प्रोवाइड करेगा, यहाँ से इधर एक हाइड्रोजन, यहाँ पे एक हाइड्रोजन, तो फिर ये ऑक्सीजन भी एक हाइड्रोजन लेगा वाटर मॉलिक्यूल से. तो टोटली हमको कितना हाइड्रोजन ऐड करनी है? दो हाइड्रोजन ऐड करनी है. तो हमें क्या मिला? दिस इज व्हाट? अल्कोहल वी गॉट. नाउ सपोज हियर वन मोर मॉलिक्यूल. देखो एक बहुत खूबसूरत सा मॉलिक्यूल है ये, देखो ये वाली, यहाँ पे एक कीटोन ग्रुप है और एल्डिहाइड है. तो बेटा हमें पता है कि एल्डिहाइड भी रिड्यूस होगा और कीटोन भी रिड्यूस होगा, तो क्या बनेगा? तो आपका जो कीटोन रिड्यूस होके वो अल्कोहल बना. यस, अभी जो एल्डिहाइड है, सही बात है, देखो ये एल्डिहाइड इज आल्सो रिड्यूस टू अल्कोहल. So this is your products. Now see here for example, consider this is molecule. देखो बेटा ये वाली molecule. अब ये molecule में क्या चक्कर है ये भी देख लेते हैं. देखो यहाँ पे ये जो है ना, एक साइक्लिक एस्टर है, ये जो फंक्शनल ग्रुप है एस्टर है, और ये लेस रिएक्टिव है. क्यों? हमें पता है ना, दिस लोन पेयर पार्टिसिपेट इन द रेजोनेंस विद दिस कार्बोनिल ग्रुप. दिस इज लेस रिएक्टिव एंड दिस इज व्हाट? एस्टर. एंड वी नो दैट what? Sodium borohydride does not touch ester, only it reduces this ketonic group. Now you will get what is the product here. See, this is what? Ester not reduced, and here this ketone is reduced to alcohol and ester is not reduced. This is your product. Understood? Now अभी हम देख लेते इसका mechanism कैसा होता है. Okay बेटा, let's see the mechanism of sodium borohydride. This is what? Sodium borohydride mechanism. So take any here what? Take any carbonyl compound. So I took here, see, this is what? Acetone. This is a ketonic group, and this is what? Sodium borohydride. So in the first step what? Sodium borohydride क्या देता है बेटा? ये देगा, यहाँ पे जो प्लस है ना वो नहीं है, यहाँ पे देखो ये जो सोडियम बोरोहाइड्रेट है क्या देगा? हाइड्रेट डोनर. सो ये जो हाइड्रोजन है along with this sigma electron, so it will attack at this carbonyl carbon atom. Now see, oxygen get what? Negative charge. Then क्या होगा? Negative charge. So see here hydrate attached, then oxygen get negative charge, that negative charge combined with Na plus. So here what? Negative charge, and this is Na plus, and BH3 is out. अभी बहुत सारे बुक में यहीं पे स्टॉप किया जाता है रिएक्शन. यू कैन स्टॉप द रिएक्शन एट दिस पॉइंट. सो इफ यू ऐड द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल, सी हियर, इफ यू ऐड द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल, फ्रॉम द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल this O minus, what? This O minus will take one hydrogen and you will get the alcohol. So this is a direct mechanism. But really what happened? Actually see, this sodium borohydride reduces 4 moles of carbonyl compound. See, once we get this one na, again it will. So this is what shortcut method I explained here. Directly you got the what? Alcohol. But actually क्या होता है, ये एक मॉलिक्यूल के साथ रिएक्ट नहीं होगा बेटा, ये टोटल 3 मॉलिक्यूल के साथ रिएक्ट और 3 मॉलिक्यूल के साथ रिएक्ट होगा. टोटल क्या होगा? 4 मॉलिक्यूल्स. नाउ सी हियर, now this BH3 again react with oxygen. Now see here, B get the negative charge here because boron का valency 3 है. So now it get the negative charge, and here what, Na plus is associated with that B minus. Then after what happened, 3 moles, here what, how many hydrates are there, 1, 2, 3, 3 hydrate, though again 3 moles of carbonyl group react, again this hydrate transfer here, and here also this hydrate, this all 3 hydrates. So you are getting what, this is the 4 molecules of carbonyl compound react with sodium borohydride. So this is what, B minus, this is Na plus. Then after what, acid workup, that is in presence of water, this bond will break here, okay, this bond will break here, and you are getting what, totally 4 molecules of alcohol. It means, so इसमें क्या है, main, the hydrate of the boron is attached at the carbonyl carbon center, clear? Then after getting, you are getting the complex, you can also break the molecule from here only. So if you add here water molecule, already I explained, directly you will get the water molecule. But actual mechanism what? Total again 3 moles of carbonyl group react and you will get this complex. Okay, now here see 1 mole of sodium borohydride reduces 4 moles of carbonyl compound. Clear beta? This is the what? Mechanism of the reduction of carbonyl compound by sodium borohydride. Yes? Now let's see some examples here. So just see here this compound. Here we have the one compound. So this compound having, what it is having? This is having, see, carboxylic acid group. This is carboxylic acid group. And here ketone group. And here one pi bond is also there. But sodium borohydride loves only aldehyde ketone acid chloride. So carboxylic acid कुछ reaction नहीं होगा. Pi bond also not reduced. Pi bond is there. Carboxylic acid there. Sodium borohydride does not react with carboxylic acid. Only this ketone is reduced to alcohol. Yes, very good. देखो बेटा और एक सी मॉलिक्यूल देखो, ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग मॉलिक्यूल है. देखो ये वाला कितने सुंदर लग रहा है. देखो भाई ये यहाँ पे जो राइट साइड में, दिस इज व्हाट अमाइड फंक्शनल ग्रुप है. दिस इज व्हाट अमाइड. ओके, and your left side है that is acid chloride, and we know that acid chlorides are reduced by sodium borohydride. Yes, so and acid chlorides and ketones are reduced. So it means this ketone reduced and acid chloride reduced to what? Reduced to what? Alcohol. So amide not reduced. Amide is there. Okay, there is no reaction. But this ketone is converted into alcohol. Then here acid chloride is also converted into alcohol. Okay guys, so this is about reduction of carbonyl compounds by sodium borohydride. Now let's see here one more example I am giving here. Suppose you have this one here. This is one compound. Here we have the one acid chloride. So here we have the one ester C2H5. And here that is one bromine group is there, and here one NO2 group, and here one cyanide group. See here I am using two reagents. Suppose if you use sodium borohydride and in the presence of water molecule. So here see, if you use lithium aluminium hydride, so what would be the product? Sodium borohydride reduces, we know that reduces only acid chloride, aldehyde ketones. But here what? Only one acid chloride is there and remaining functional groups are not reduced. So only that acid chloride, this acid chloride is reduced to alcohol. And remaining groups are what? Not react. That is no change in the remaining functional group. Ester and Br is also there. Yes, Br is there. Then cyanide also not reduced. Yes. And here what? NO2 group is also not reduced. But in this case, see, lithium aluminum hydride is very strong reducing agent and reduces all functional groups, reducible functional groups. Here, lithium aluminum hydride reduces acid chloride to alcohol, ester to alcohol, alkyl halide to alkane, NO2 group to NH2, cyanide to amines. Now in this case you will get the product like this. See here, first this cyanide, C become to CH2, N become to NH2, yes amine, then acid chloride to alcohol. See ester है अपने पास, ये जो ester also alcohol, this ester. Now Br is replaced by H. If you not seen my that video, please I will provide the link. See the reduction of organic compound by lithium aluminum. In that I explain all the things. And NO2 group is what become to NH2. So in this direction, this is the reaction. Clear all of you? Very good. Now let's see here. Let's see one more examples we will take. For example, you have this one. For example, you have this molecule. This is what cyclic ester. Here we have the carbonyl group. Now see here, one ketone is there. Now see here, this is what one cyanide is there. In this direction, suppose if you use sodium borohydride in the presence of water molecule, only reduces what? Only reduces aldehyde, ketone and acid chloride. But यहाँ पे क्या है? In the only, this is what ketonic group. So this ketone is group, only this ketone is reduced to alcohol. And that C cyanide does not affect, and ester also not reduced. But if you use lithium aluminum hydride, this is strong reducing agent followed by acid hydrolysis. So what happened? C reduction, it means ester is converted into alcohol, break that bond. Now it become to OH. Now see here, this carbonyl group is what? Reduced to alcohol. 1 minute, let me write correct. See here, this is also reduced to alcohol. Now here ketonic group is there, ketone also reduced to alcohol. Okay, now this cyanide, that cyanide is what? C become to CH2 and N become to NH2. So you are getting primary amine. So this is the what? Reduction of organic compound by sodium borohydride. Okay guys, this is the what? Reduction of organic compound by sodium borohydride. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel SK Chemistry Academy, and please share this video to your friends so that they can also take the benefit. या आपका फ्रेंड्स को भी रिकमेंड करो वीडियोस देखने के लिए. ये जो 2022 जेई के लिए मैं रिवीजन सेशन ले रहा हूं, आप लोग कोई भी टॉपिक मुझे रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हो. कुछ फलाना टॉपिक में अगर चाहिए तो वीडियो आप मुझे रिक्वेस्ट करो, मैं आपके लिए बना दूंगा. ओके गाइस, थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू.